Welcome back, everybody, to a Ethereum millionaire with a side hustle on gold. If we look at the chart real quick, there was big commotion over the weekend, Friday night, Saturday night. Bitcoin was pumping. But here at Ethereum, we put out an alert saying look for a fall down to the lower part of our rising wedge, which would be about a 23% fall. And with the target price about $1,032.23. We're still hard fast on that. You can see, we'll pull our little pointer tool out here. You can see over here, we have falling volume still down to here, where we came up a little bit with some volume and a little bit of a pump here, but it hasn't changed the overall structure of our pattern up here. We still have a rising wedge, falling volume, restricting higher highs and lower lows, not counting that because that was the flash crash. And if we zoom in, like we always say, you start out and you zoom in, and it's a beautiful, beautiful day today. Sun shines out, everyone's happy, market's acting pretty much how we thought. Like I always say, you gotta watch out for the fake outs. So constricting price, still falling volume as it's confirmed down there. This is going to straddle up here, and it's going to eventually retest this support, brief support now, but it doesn't have a lot of support. It's pretty much all the support it's got, and it's going to come past down there, and we're going to come back. If we take a look at the 1 minute or the 1 hour time frame, you can kind of see what's going on in the topping pattern. Let's get a little drawing tool out here. Pull that up now, and you see a shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder forming right now. Now what's going to happen with this right here is the right shoulder is going to continue forming, and you say, well, that doesn't look right. It's a horizontal or slanted head and shoulders neckline, right? See, that's perfect neckline. Support, 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 straddling, falling volume. It's about to break the neckline, and we're coming down here, right? And that's just a little one in the 1 hour time frame. And here's your target move. Down to the neckline. Bring it on the horizontal because it's slanted. It's not a vertical. It's not a horizontal head and shoulders. It's a slant. It's an angled head and shoulders. So you put that at the point of breakout, and you see our target move is going to be down there, and that's just going to be our initial target move. And if we pull out, after we straddle that as support, and we go back out into the daily time frame, you can see what's kind of going to be happening here in the bigger pattern. It's going to pull our pointer tool back out right here. We're going to have a shoulder, a head, and then another shoulder built there. Now if we go to our pattern predictor down here, qualified head and shoulders right here, and we'll start drawing it, left shoulder, bam, head, right shoulder, that's a rough draw of what we think is going to be going on in the background or in the next few weeks. You can see our pointer tool back up here. You can see our right shoulder, low off top, falling volume down here, which is going to form our head over here. And I mean, we can make this even better, right? We can try to get this sort of better representation of what I'm thinking. Because these head and shoulder patterns, when you're looking at a real head and shoulder pattern, the minute time frame, it's not a very good time frame to get a real pattern reversal, typical true to true head and shoulders, and that's what we're going to get here. The little one we showed you at the hour time frame, but this is the daily time frame head and shoulders. You can't see it yet, but it's coming. Pointer tool out again, shoulder, rising price, falling volume, head being formed. So next few days you're going to see it straddle and start coming down this way trading, and then you'll get a bounce back. And then we're going to eventually have a breakout out of that. And you say, well, what would your target be? Top of the head, neckline, pull it down. And look at that. It gets us almost right there to our ultimate target out of this falling wedge. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Comment below. Don't be afraid. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Peace out with peace and love. Peace and love.